Handling conflicts in a relationship is a normal and necessary part of any healthy relationship. Conflicts can arise from a variety of sources such as differences in opinions, miscommunication, and unmet needs and expectations. However, it's important to remember that conflicts are not necessarily a bad thing, and that conflicts can lead to positive outcomes if handled in the right way. Here are some steps you can follow to handle conflicts in a relationship. Listen actively. When conflicts arise, it's important to listen to your partner's perspective and feelings. Try to understand their point of view and avoid interrupting them while they're speaking. Stay calm. Conflicts can quickly escalate if one or both partners become defensive or upset. To avoid this, it's important to stay calm and avoid making accusations or raising your voice. Identify the underlying issue. Conflicts often stem from deeper underlying issues such as unmet needs or misunderstandings. Try to identify the root cause of the conflict and address it directly. Find common ground. Try to find common ground with your partner by focusing on shared goals and values. This will help to create a sense of unity and reduce tension during the conflict. Compromise. In any relationship, it's important to be willing to compromise. Try to find a solution that works for both partners, even if it means making some concessions. Avoid blame. When conflicts arise, it's easy to point fingers and place blame on your partner. However, this approach is unlikely to lead to a positive outcome. Instead, try to take responsibility for your own actions and work together to find a solution. Seek outside help. If conflicts are persistent or difficult to resolve, consider seeking the help of a therapist or counselor. A neutral third party can provide valuable perspective and help both partners to communicate more effectively. Conflicts in relationships are a normal part of any healthy relationship, but it's important to handle them in a positive and productive way. By staying calm, finding common ground, and being willing to compromise, you can turn conflicts into opportunities for growth and deepen your relationship with your partner.